This instructional video will show you how simple it is to enter your employee's information and schedule into the software. To enter a new employee, go to the Employees icon in the toolbar. Displayed here is a list of the employees that have already been added to the software. To add a new employee, click Add Employee on the left side of this screen. The name fields are the only fields that are required to save the employee, but you can add other information such as the employee's category, address, or phone number. On the Service Limitations tab, restrictions can be added so that the employee can only perform certain services within the business. To set up these service limitations, select the option, "This employee cannot perform all services." With this selected, click Add Service to enter the individual services this employee can perform. On the Display Options tab, you can specify the employee's visibility within certain sections of the software. If the employee is a receptionist, for instance, it's not necessary for them to appear on the appointment book or when creating tickets, so we can uncheck the appropriate boxes here. To save the new employee, click Save. The employee is now saved in the software and is added to the list of employees at the business. Setting up employee schedules is important because the software must know when the employees are available to see appointments. Click on the Schedule icon along the toolbar, which takes us to the scheduling screen. To set up the schedule for one of your employees for a single day, double-click on the square that corresponds to that day and employee. On this screen, enter the start and end times that the employee is working. You can also specify if the day you're marking for the employee is a working day or a day off. After you've finished, click OK. This schedules the employee for this one day. It would be time-consuming to schedule each day individually, so to create a recurring schedule, double-click another square for the employee, click on the Recurring button, and then Add Multiple Dates. On this screen, change the recurrence type to weekly, which displays the days of the week. For this example, let's say this employee works the same hours Tuesday through Saturday, so you'd check the corresponding boxes. In the End of Recurrence section, this schedule would be set to run adequately far enough into the future. A few months should be fine. Click OK and then OK again. Enter the start and end times and click OK. Now, the software sets the schedule up according to the recurrence we entered. To avoid doing the same process for another employee, and if the schedules for the two employees are the same, you can use the Copy Schedules option, which can save some time. On this screen, the source employee is the employee whose schedule is to be copied. The two date fields relate to the start and end dates that will be used for the copy. Check the box next to each employee that will use the same schedule as the source employee. Finally, click Copy, and now the schedule is entered for both of the new employees.